Hello my lovelies, so I thought I'd share with you a get ready with me in actual real time so you can see myself getting ready and the products I use to achieve a really flawless base. So I'm just going to take a sip of tea. So I've actually popped on my skin the Trinny London Bff Cream Skin Perfector. So it's like a perfecting cream. It mimics your skin tone when worn alone. And then it instantly hydrates, boosts radiance, so it gives me a glow, blurs my pores, and has SPF 30, which I love. So this is a great base for smooth skin. It looks like nothing, like no colour, but then it blends and gives you a bit of a tint. And it does come in different shades, so it's really cool. So I've just got that on, and I'm just going to use the Nars Sheer Glow foundation. Shake it really well. And for my foundation, I just pop a little bit on the back of my hand. That's how much I use. And I'm going to damp my sponge a little bit more because I like it to be really damp. So I've just damped it a little bit more and I'm pressing onto my face. And this is the Huda Beauty sponge. It's literally the best beauty blender sponge that I've ever used. It's much like softer and squidgier, and I think that helps. Just popping a little bit onto my eyes so I have a cleaner base to work with. I'm also going to curl my lashes because this helps me look more awake instantly. So I've just curled it once, but I'm going to do it one more time. So you just hold, press, 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 let go. I'm also teaming up my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer to match. And I'm just going to apply a little bit to even out those dark circles under my eyes. I'm just going to use that same sponge. And it's all about really pressing a product and warming it up into your skin. Remember to take concealer in that inner corner. So if you want your makeup to last even longer, especially under the eye area, you want to set with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in, I use Pound Cake, which is slightly more brightening. Again, using a damp sponge, and I'm pushing the powder. So I'm just pressing this powder. And I might take it on the forehead here. Anywhere where over time throughout the day your makeup will move or get oily. So I just kind of do those areas, keep pushing it in until it disappears. So you can be quite generous with this powder because it is quite finely milled. It's not cakey, and I find it's the best powder for me. So definitely recommend this. You can see like it literally gives you a filter. It's so cool. Okay, so once that's set in, I'm just going to use the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Golden Light. It's quite a fair tone, but I love it for an all over touch of colour. And it's very, very velvety, so it's super nice on the skin. I just used like a nice soft brush. This is the Bobbi Brown powder brush. And I just literally go all over, focusing on the forehead and on the cheekbones. Because that is usually where I get colour anyway. It's always situated here. You always want to remember your neck, and with this bronzer, the reason why I use it is because it doesn't actually transfer onto my clothes. So I really like bring it down, and obviously I use a lighter colour so that it's not too dark on the neck, and you can build it. So that is really nice. I just like to brush my brows. And I'm going to fill them a tiny bit. I'm going to use this travel size brow wiz by Anastasia in, I think it's dark brown. And I'm just going to fill that arch. Because that is where my eyebrow is sparse. And instantly just gives a nice definition. Another great product I like to use to give me a nice healthy look is this MAC blusher, which is quite a bronzy tone. It's called Peach Twist Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush. So I just use this Bobbi brown brush to apply it, and I kind of just smile and press it on, and it just gives me this nice tone. This is great for medium skin tones. It's so pretty. So when I do my base, I then kind of move on straight to my eyes. I'm going to use very minimal eye makeup today. So let's go for a matte look. I'm going to use the Makeupbymario Master Mattes. This is a must-have palette for everyone, and I highly suggest you get it. So with the Master Mattes palette, I always go for the lighter colours first, just to press on and brighten my lid. As you can see, I've got a bit of fluff on my hair. My hair's still wet, I need to dry it, so you're literally getting ready with me today. I have only just showered, I'm having tea, and I'm doing my daily makeup. What a treat for you guys. So I'm next going to apply this warm tone, and with the same brush I'm just doing this, and I'm pressing and bringing it in, pressing and bringing it in. And I just do this with my finger, so it looks nice and lifted and smoky. And you can see already the difference. So next I want to go in with a deeper tone. So I mix these two shades and I just apply on that lash line, and again I just blend that with my finger. This is perfect when you're like on the train or something getting ready, or you literally just want a super easy, soft makeup look. And this does suit like most skin tones, most eye colours, because it's brown tones, which is why I love this palette so much. I do use it a lot on my bridal clients as well. It's so nice, and it does actually stay put as well. So I actually do my eyeliner with this black shade here, and I use a flat angled brush, and I just look straight ahead, and I join the end of that line downwards and join it with that wedge here. And you can also extend it, and it will just make my eyes look a little bit more lengthy, which is quite nice because my eyes are quite big. So this just gives that kind of illusion. I'm actually going to apply some here as well. So soft. I'm literally not using any eyeliner, but I actually might put a little bit of eyeliner in my tight line just to make it more defined so you can see the difference. Just using the Bobbi Brown long wearing eyeliner in Jet. It's a nice strong black. So it's long wearing waterproof eyeliner, perfect for this kind of look, and it doesn't move. Now that my eyes are pretty much done, it's just like a soft matte everyday look. I'm just going to finish off with the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara, and I just kind of like look straight down and I blink into the actual applicator, and then making sure those ends are lifted, and it really lifts past my line, so past my crease. That's how you know your mascara's done the job. I'm just going to do the other side. Super soft, which I love. As you all know, I live for like simple glam. So for my lips, I'm going to add a tiny bit of colour. This is the MAC Half Red Lip Pencil, and I just kind of go all over my lip with it. I do have lip balm on as well. You kind of just like rest your pinky finger, and then you angle your lip liner in the corner of your mouth to get the best application, and then it kind of works like one of those compasses. Is it a compass? Can't remember the name. You just go upwards. the same with the other side. I do have a scar here, so sometimes I do have to draw a little bit on the outer corner, but that's fine. That's super pretty. Even on its own, it's just so lovely. I'm just going to add a dab of the MAC lipstick, in Mehr, M-E-H-R. And that's literally what I do for every day. So I'm just going to dry my hair and I'll be right back. So that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and hopefully I'll see you in the next one, which will be a little bit more intense. So great for anyone who's trying to learn a great smoky eye. See you then. Mwah.